Do you want to know how you can log into your Avanti Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Avanti Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Avanti Payroll login on your browser and click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will directly take you to the official login portal of Avanti Payroll. You can see the login portal on the right hand side of your screen. The first step is to write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, write down your password in this box below the email address. Make sure your email or your password is correct, and after you recheck your email address and password, go ahead and click sign in. You can now successfully sign in to your Avanti Payroll account. So, if you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, you can click on this link and recover your password. I hope this video about how you can sign in or log in to your Avanti Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.